Good morning, my lovely kids. Hope you all are well at home. Children, today we are going to do very interesting and creative activity. That is paper folding activity. Paper folding activity is a very nice activity. So, motherites, today we will make dog face. We will make dog face with paper folding activity. So dear kids, you can take any type of sheet in a square shape. Now turn over like this. So that is square to convert into a triangle. Okay. Now from this corner we will fold to make a ear of a dog. Now hold the corner in his hand and turn it like this. So now you can see we have got face of the dog. Now to take black marker to draw eyes. Like this. Okay. Now nose and mouth. Like this. Wow, it's looking beautiful. So children, now face of the dog is ready. Hope you all enjoy this activity. Okay, bye.